the whole theme of ready, aim, fire, if you got everybody for the most part has support resistance. So if you look at this gray zone and here's resistance, you're bearish if it can get in there. That's your ready. Your aim is if it gets in there. And then let me show you your fire. So you watch it walk up into this zone. And then boom, fire. You get a bunch of longs that come in. That's what you're looking for. You get the laser to go from red to green. If you're bearish, you take a shot short. If you're long, you get out, whether it's a scale or your whole position. Now, there'll be moments where it could continue through there, but you'll have a disqualifier. This isn't cherry picking. You see this again and again and again, and you could see even on this rally here, too many longs get in looking for a pop, and they step on it. So just keep in mind, let me rewind it. Just look at this again. Walks up to a zone that you're looking to qualify and maybe take a short or get out of a long. And you see all these longs in the color green grow, especially when you get these. The grays inside the green means these guys are trying to exit. That's the gray spikes and the gray lines. Our offer is trying to get out of a long. They're not getting filled. It always takes too many longs for price to go lower, especially quicker. The faster price comes off a high and goes down, the more longs fit that dynamic. Very important ingredient for a top. And that is too many longs, because you should know by now that longs equal what? Sellers. And then too many longs would equal too many sellers. Too many sellers has to be part of the equation for the price of anything to go down. Great highlight and opportunity from this morning.